Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. If you have been following our daily MCQ series till now, then you would be knowing what we are doing here right now. I'm providing you with 15 MCQs in jumbled format from all of the chapters of class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology so that you are able to crack the upcoming NEET exam with confidence by practicing these little extra MCQs over other students. So without wasting much time, let's get started with 15 MCQs for today. Question number 1. Which one of the following fruits is a parthenocarpic fruit? Option 1, banana. Option 2, brinjal. Option 3, apple. Or option 4, jackfruit. Which one of the following fruits is a parthenocarpic fruit? The correct answer is option 1, that is banana. Question 2. In his classic experiment on pea plants, Mendel did not use option 1, flower position. Option 2, seed color. Option 3, pod length. Option 4, seed shape. Remember, while Mendel was carrying out his experiment on pea plants, he had taken 7 features of pea plant. Which of these are not in those 7 features? Flower position, seed color, pod length, seed shape. The correct answer is option 3. Pod length was not a characteristic that Mendel had considered. On the other hand, flower position, seed color and seed shapes were features that Mendel considered in his experiment. Question 3. Which of the following layers in an antral follicle is acellular? Option 1, zona pellucida. Option 3, granulosa. Option 3, theca interna. Or option 4, stroma. Which of the following layers in an antral follicle is acellular? The correct answer is option 1, that is zona pellucida is acellular. Question 4. In the human females, meiosis II is not completed until option 1, birth. Option 2, puberty. Option 3, fertilization. Option 4, uterine implantation. You all must be knowing that in the process of formation of oocyte, meiosis II occurs only after one of these events. Which is it? The correct answer is option 3, fertilization. The ovum, once it is released, it is held in the meiosis 1 stage, means it has completed meiosis 1, but meiosis 2 is not initiated. Meiosis 2 starts once the sperm head penetrates the ovum and reaches its cytoplasm. So meiosis 2 is not completed until option 3, that is fertilization. Question 5. If you suspect major deficiency of antibodies in a person, to which of the following would you look for confirmatory evidence? You are suspecting a person to have a major deficiency of antibodies. So there are 4 options given, the 4 things that are found in blood. Which of these would you look for confirming that the person is having a deficiency of antibodies? Option 1, serum globulins. Option 2, fibrinogen in plasma. Option 3, serum albumin. Option 4, hemocytes. The correct answer is option 1, that is serum globulins. What are actually serum globulins? Those are immunoglobulins, right? And what are immunoglobulins? Immunoglobulins are the antibodies. There are 5 types of immunoglobulin: IgG, IgA, IgD, IgE, IgM, and all these are antibodies. Question 6. The structures that help some bacteria to attach to rocks and host tissues are option 1, holdfast. Option 3, rhizoids. Option 2, rhizoids. Option 3, fimbriae. Option 4, mesosomes. Structures that help some bacteria to attach to rocks is. The correct answer is option 3, fimbriae. Rhizoids, holdfast, on the other hand, are not structures found in bacteria, and mesosomes are the inclusions that are formed by the cell membrane, plasma membrane of bacteria. So Fimbria is the correct answer. Question 7. Auxin can be bioassayed by option 1. Lettuce hypocotyl elongation option 2. Avena coleoptile curvature option 3. Hydroponics option 4. Potometer. Auxins can be bioassayed by. The correct answer is option 2. Avena coleoptile curvature. Question 8. Human urine is usually acidic because option 1. Hydrogen ions are actively secreted into the filtrate. Option 2. Sodium transporters exchanges one hydrogen ion for each sodium ion in peritubular capillaries. Option 3. Excreted plasma proteins are acidic. Or option 4. Potassium and sodium exchange generates acidity. Human urine usually is acidic because. The correct answer is option 1. Hydrogen ions are actively secreted into the filtrate. Question 9. A pleiotropic gene, option 1, controls multiple traits in an individual. Option 2. Is expressed only in primitive plants. Option 3. Is the gene involved in pliocene? Option 4. Controls a trait only in combination with another gene. A pleiotropic gene. 4 options are there. The correct answer is option 1. A pleiotropic gene controls multiple traits in an individual. Question 10. Select the wrong statement. Option 1. Mosaic disease in tobacco and AIDS in human beings are caused by virus. You have to select the wrong statement. Option 2. The viroids were discovered by D.J. Ivanovsky. Option 3. W.M. Stanley showed that virus could be crystallized. Option 4. The term contagium vivum fluidum was coined by M.W. Beijerinck. Select the wrong statement. The correct answer is option 2. The viroids were discovered by D.J. Ivanovsky. This is an incorrect statement. Question number 11. Outbreeding is an important strategy of animal husbandry because it first exposes harmful recessive genes that are eliminated by selection, helps in accumulation of superior genes, is useful in producing pure lines of animals, is useful in overcoming inbreeding depression. Outbreeding is an important strategy in animal husbandry because. Correct answer is option 4. It is useful in overcoming inbreeding depression. Question number 12. A childless couple can be assisted to have child through a technique called as GIFT. The full form of this technique is germ cell internal fallopian transfer, gamete inseminated fallopian transfer, gamete intrafallopian transfer, or gamete internal fertilization and transfer. Full form of GIFT. The correct answer is option 3, gamete intrafallopian transfer. Question number 13. A jawless fish which lays egg in fresh water and whose larvae after metamorphosis return to ocean is Petromyzon, Eptitratus, Myxine or Neomyxine. Jawless fish lays egg in fresh water, larvae after metamorphosis return to the oceans. Correct answer is option 1, Petromyzon. Question number 14. The chitinous exoskeleton of arthropod is formed by polymerization of lipoglycans, keratin sulfate and chondroitin sulfate, D-glucosamine or N-acetylglucosamine. Correct answer is option 4, N-acetylglucosamine. Question number 15. The imperfect fungi which are decomposers of letters and help in mineral cycling belong to Ascomycetes, Deuteromycetes, Basidiomycetes or Phycomycetes. Imperfect fungi belong to which of the following groups? Correct answer is option 2, Deuteromycetes. So those were the 15 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.